Transporting an ATV can sometimes feel more complicated than the ride itself, especially for riders over 60 or anyone new to the sport. Lightweight ATVs solve that problem. They're easier to trailer, simpler to store, and far less intimidating to handle on tight trails or in garages. Today, we're going deeper into the top 8 lightweight ATVs for easy transport and storage, and I'll explain why each one might be perfect for seniors, beginners, or anyone who wants convenience without losing capability. 1. Arctic Cat Alterra 300. Starting small and manageable is smart. The Arctic Cat Alterra 300 is one of the lightest ATVs you can buy, making it perfect for solo handling. Loading it on a trailer, moving it around a garage, or positioning it on uneven terrain is much easier than with heavier machines. Despite its compact size, it's capable for light property work, short trail rides, and casual exploration. The CVT transmission ensures smooth acceleration, which is particularly useful for older riders who need predictability over raw speed. This model allows new or returning riders to build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. Think about it. Would you prefer a smaller ATV you can handle alone, or something bigger that might require help? Share your preference in the comments. Your input can guide other seniors choosing their first quad. Suzuki King Quad 400. The Suzuki King Quad 400 is lightweight yet surprisingly capable. It's designed for easy transport and fits comfortably in most garages or storage sheds. Its smaller frame reduces fatigue during slow maneuvers, making it ideal for older riders who need stability and predictability. The throttle is smooth, and the engine is reliable, meaning fewer surprises during maintenance, a huge plus for seniors or newcomers. If you've ridden before, you know that a lighter machine makes turning, stopping, and trail navigation far easier. Do you prefer simplicity and reliability, or more horsepower, even if it means more weight and effort? Drop your thoughts in the comments. 3. Polaris Sportsman 450HO. The Polaris Sportsman 450HO combines lightweight with sufficient torque for property work, trail riding, or cabin access. Its independent suspension absorbs bumps and reduces impact on joints, which is critical for riders over 60. Ergonomics are designed for comfort, allowing longer rides without unnecessary fatigue. Lightweight doesn't mean underpowered. It means controllable, predictable, and manageable. Would you rather ride a lighter machine you can confidently handle, or something heavier with more engine power but increased physical demands? Share your perspective below. Moto CForce 500. The Moto CForce 500 blends modern styling, lightweight engineering, and smart electronic features. It's easy to trailer and store, yet its mid-range torque makes it capable for trail riding and light hauling. Optional electronic power steering reduces fatigue during longer rides or on rough terrain, an advantage for older riders managing balance and endurance. Would you value added technology in a lightweight ATV, or prefer minimal electronics for simplicity? Let's discuss in the comments. Your choice might help others balance convenience with control. 5. Honda FourTrax Foreman 4x4. The Honda FourTrax Foreman 4x4 is a classic choice for seniors and beginners. Its lightweight frame allows for easy transport and storage, yet it remains capable for heavy-duty property work and trails. The Foreman's stable chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and reliable engine provide predictability, which builds confidence for returning riders. It's easy to handle solo and forgiving on uneven terrain, two critical factors for older riders. When choosing an ATV, do you prioritize ease of transport over maximum torque, or is power more important? Comment below. 6. Arctic Cat Alterra 450. The Arctic Cat Alterra 450 is a slightly larger model, offering more torque and trail capability while remaining lightweight. It's a great step up for riders who want more performance without sacrificing portability. Its compact frame makes loading, unloading, and storing it simple, while the suspension keeps it stable on trails. For seniors, this ATV allows for growth in confidence and capability. Would you upgrade to a mid-size model for extra power, or stick to a smaller, lighter machine? Share your reasoning in the comments. 7. Kawasaki Brute Force 450 4x4. The Kawasaki Brute Force 450 4x4 offers lightweight handling with robust reliability. Despite its name, it's very manageable for trail navigation, storage, and transport. Its suspension and predictable behavior reduce fatigue, making it ideal for longer rides or rough terrain. Seniors benefit from the combination of stability, lightweight, and straightforward controls. Would you choose a simple, rugged machine like this, or a more feature-rich model with slightly more weight? Post your thoughts below. 8. Yamaha Kodiak 700. The Yamaha Kodiak 700 is slightly larger, but engineered for control. It delivers excellent torque and comfortable suspension while remaining manageable for transport and storage. For seniors, the Kodiak 700 provides stability on trails, comfort on longer rides, and versatility for both recreational and utility tasks. Would you compromise a little lightness for added power and comfort, or prefer to stick with the lightest option possible? Comment below. Your experience helps other riders make informed choices. Tips for easy transport and storage. Choosing a lightweight ATV is only the first step. How you store and transport it makes a big difference in long-term enjoyment. Trailer setup. Invest in a trailer with a low deck height and wide ramps. Lightweight machines like the Alterra 300, CForce 500, or King Quad 400 can be loaded solo, but a low trailer makes it easier and safer. Tie downs. Use high-quality ratchet straps at all four corners. Even lightweight ATVs can shift during transport if not secured. Storage. Garages with shelving, hooks, or rolling dollies help store lightweight ATVs efficiently. Machines like the Polaris Sportsman 450 HO or Honda Foreman 4x4 fit in tighter spaces with minimal adjustments. Maintenance access. Keep battery, oil, and air filter points accessible to reduce bending and heavy lifting. This prolongs riding enjoyment. Suspension tuning. Even for lightweight ATVs, adjusting preload to your weight improves handling and reduces fatigue. Models like the Yamaha Kodiak 700 or Arctic Cat Alterra 450 benefit from this simple adjustment. For seniors, these practical steps make a huge difference. They can turn a 15-minute ride into an hour or more of comfortable fun. Reflection lightweight ATVs like the Arctic Cat Alterra 300 and 450, Suzuki King Quad 400, Polaris Sportsman 450 HO, Moto CForce 500, Honda FourTrax Foreman 4x4, Kawasaki Brute Force 450, and Yamaha Kodiak 700 show that manageable weight doesn't mean sacrificing capability. The goal is confidence, comfort, and convenience. Easy transport and storage keep you riding longer, reduce stress, and make ownership more enjoyable. Think about your garage, your trailer, and your typical rides. Could a lighter ATV extend your riding years? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your insight could help other riders make the right choice. Conclusion. From the Arctic Cat Alterra 300 to the Yamaha Kodiak 700, these lightweight ATVs prove that fun, versatility, and convenience can coexist. For seniors or anyone concerned with transport and storage, these machines make riding accessible, safe, and enjoyable. Remember, it's not about maximum engine power. It's about confidence, comfort, and longevity. Which lightweight ATV would you choose for easy transport and storage? Drop your pick in the comments. Your feedback could guide someone picking their first or next machine.